Music is psychology, see? And if the music does not penetrate the heart, the soul, and the mind, and the body, then you ain't gonna feel it. Because reggae music is not something that you hear, it's something you feel, see? And if you don't feel it, you can't know it, see? It is a spiritual music with spiritual ingredients for spiritual purposes.
What is a Rastaman really?
A Rastaman is a man who speaks the truth. A Rastaman is a follower of the Creator. Well, the roots comes from Africa, where which all roots coming from, and it's a spiritual motivation of inspiration through divine lines of Jah Rastafari.